day we back at it. And today we're looking at my bedroom YouTube studio setup.
Just look in the mirror, don't know what to say, but I'm happy the man I is.
Now I've been making YouTube videos for over 2 years now. I've been creating them since late 2018. Started consistently doing it in 2020. I've been uploading a video a week for over 100 weeks by now. Yeah, like 110 weeks or so. I committed myself to upload a video a week, and it turned into something that I thoroughly enjoyed. And over those 2 years, I've accumulated a whole bunch of gear that allows these things to be better and make myself more appealing, to grow my audience and grow such. And as you grow bigger with your YouTube channel, you tend to obtain more gear so you can make the process easier for you and make the quality better over time. And with new gear, I've gotten more cameras, more lenses, more lights, better microphones, so all of this can just situate the quality, make it more appealing, make it better for a person that's watching, listening, just looking at different random things that might be in the background just to draw in their interest into the video. So I thought it'd be interesting to anyone who might be looking into starting to YouTube, see what some gear they might need to start some things if they want to keep bare bones, or what they're going to the very extreme, the very expensive or very inexpensive stuff. Some of the stuff I hear is very affordable. I think most things besides the camera, the lenses, is under $100. So like, these are pretty affordable things that you can obtain to get the quality that I have, the quality that you might desire. So let's hop into it. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to use this camera, my secondary camera, and with the microphone pointed backwards so y'all can hear me better, we're gonna look at the different gear that I have. So what I'm using right now is the Canon EOS RP. Right there is a battery gear. That's probably one answer why it's so big. And the lens I'm currently using is the Tamron 17 to 40 millimeter lens. It also has a Moment Cinebloom filter on there. If you want to know more about the different camera gear, cameras, the lenses, and a little bit of other accessories that I might use for photography and YouTube, I created what's in my camera video I made last week. It's going to be up here in the car. It's also going to be a link in the description, more details on that. But that's what I've been using for the better part for over a month now to record the Aero, what you're seeing right now in my YouTube videos. The tripod I recently got about a month ago. This is a newer tripod. What I like about this is this thing could get very tall. It's actually, this tripod could get almost to the ceiling, like almost probably around the top of that part right there. What I like about this tripod is very sturdy, very convenient. My original tripod is off there in the corner. That was an Amazon Basics tripod. Very cheap, very affordable, but it was time for an upgrade. This one is more versatile, like I said, and get very high, very tall, and plus it has a ball head that I can mount off of, car in the background, that I can remove the mount off of, take that off, and like put it on one of these microphone stands or this stand here. So that versatility of the ball head is very necessary. I guess we think we'll go on to audio. What I've been using for audio is the Movo microphone. This is a VXR10. I believe this is $10 on Amazon. Pretty much everything you can pretty much buy on Amazon nowadays. Amazon's like my best friend. The last few years is everything is buy from Amazon. But what I love about this microphone is that it's small and compact. It's pretty much like the Rode video microphone that costs like $60 on Amazon, but this was slightly cheaper. It's basically the same quality, and it's currently on a microphone stand. And the reason why I have a microphone stand and have it drawn out instead of be on the camera is because when it's closer to yourself, your voice is more accentuated on the audio, and it makes it sound more full instead of having it seem like a more echo or extra background. So that's what I use for audio. I also use this Anchor Soundcore 2 speaker. If you watch my music reaction videos, this is what I have to play the music in the background, and I just have a Bluetooth from my phone. Moving along, this is my main key light. This is the Mount Dog key light. I've had this for about 2 years now. I bought this in like almost mid to 2019, and this was my main key light for a while. I just lit everything up for my face, just to give you a perspective in which how much light this draws. Let me turn this off. And yeah, now just this side is just completely dark and this side is only light. So let's turn that back on to get this quality back. And that's the lighting. But that's also, as you can see, that wasn't my only light. This is the Viltrox light. This is like a circle light. This costs about $60 on Amazon. I got this earlier this year, in January this year. And what I like about this light is that it's bi-color. So if we come back here, press this knob, and then I can turn it. Now it's more orange. Before it was blue. Now it's more orange. I can also change the intensity of the light. So I can put it all the way down to 20%, then all the way back down, all the way back up to 100%. So I love the versatility of this light, and that light is also battery powered. So if I grab the battery here, I can just have the battery charged up instead of having to be wire connected. This one unfortunately is wire connected. I can't change it to make it battery powered. It has to be connected to a wall outlet. I also have other lights. I have that lightning bolt. I have this for since Christmas. It was a Christmas gift. I like that because it's a nice little orange practical light to compensate the different blues I have, the different blues and white lights I have. I also have these two lights, the red and blue lights. Those are for Walmart. Those are like $10 cheap lights. These just adds once again a different lighting setup in the background. I can change the colors if I want to. Like I had this remote here. I can change this color. Let's change this one to red. Let's see if we can do it. Yep, change that to red to change the color, but I like that on blue to get the opposites of blue and red. And that's basically everything. I showed you the lighting, I showed the audio, I showed you the video. Now everything I create is in my bedroom, so if we zoom out here, you can see everything in a zoomed out picture. You can see this is my bedroom. It's my bed behind me. I got a mini fridge. You can see my desk set up. Maybe I'll make a desk setup video in the near future. Yeah, I'll probably put that up in the near future. But this is everything I use. It's in my bedroom. You know, when I was in college, when I was in TCNJ, I would also create videos in my dorm rooms. Those dorm rooms are a whole lot bigger than the rooms I have now. I don't have a dedicated studio. I don't have any significant. This room is pretty small. I know this wide angle zoom lens make everything seem big, but this is actually a pretty small room. Everything is done in my bedroom, but you just gotta do with everything you can do, and everything will fall into place. And maybe in the near future, I might get a YouTube studio, but as of right now, I do everything in my bedroom. And that's basically it, man. This is all the gear I have. Like I said, I'm planning on to get more gear in the near future as time progresses, as I generate more revenue from this YouTube channel or other things like my personal business, my other side jobs that I do on the side. But as I get more gear, more things gonna get more versatile, more convenient for me. And I don't want to discourage you. Like, yes, this might seem like a lot, but I've grown to used to it. I bought things over time. This wasn't all bought at once. Like I said, it's been over a 2-year journey of accumulating some of this gear, and it just makes things more convenient for me, more happy for me, and make things more easier as I can create more content for everyone. So if you like the video, please like the video. I got more content like this always coming soon, so please subscribe and see you next video. Peace.